I just made $4,018.69 in the last month, and now from this effort, I'm going to be earning about $3,140 every single month for the rest of my life. Fellow entrepreneurs, this is going to be one of the most epic passive income tutorials you will see on YouTube so far. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn true passive income. So all of those motivational speakers out there that say hard work is key, passive income is not real, I'm going to prove them wrong. I'm going to outline a few key points that you need to know in order to get passive income, and I'm going to show you the exact tool that is paying me passively every single month. Now, you would have noticed if you've been following me for some time, I've talked about Builderall for quite a while. Now, this is not going to be your ordinary Builderall, go and paste links on Facebook groups or paste links on Quora or anything like that. It's going to be something really new that I've discovered to really skyrocket your earnings with this passive income tool. And secondly, you would have noticed that I'm on a different camera because my camera broke the other day. It fell off my stand and the whole camera is completely smashed, and now I have to record off my phone until I can go and get a new camera. But thankfully to this tool over here that I'm earning passive income, I can go and buy a new camera. But without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time. Let's get straight into this. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel over here on how I make money online in my daily life and how you can get exclusive insight into what I do every single day on my YouTube channel, so that hopefully you can follow my journey and make money online too. Whether you want to get some goals for yourself, set some motivation and get out of your comfort zone, or build a successful online business, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. And make sure to leave a like down below. I really appreciate your positive comments, and I thank you so much for my current viewers who are really supporting my channel and learning and hopefully succeeding from my videos. I'm going to be doing an epic giveaway in today's video. All you need to do is be following my YouTube channel, comment down below that you're ready, leave a like, and I will choose a random comment in the next video to win $20 to their PayPal. I'll just pop up the winner on the screen and you can see who wins in the next video. So make sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's video to see who wins this giveaway. Alright, now into the video. The first thing that we need to do is, in order to get passive income, one thing, you need a membership-based digital product that'll pay you reoccurring commissions every single month. Let me give you a few examples. Alright, so I'm going to start from my least favorite to my most favorite. Ones that I've made the least money off of to the ones I've made the most money off of. Firstly, we've got over here ClickFunnels. I'm sure most of you, if you've been watching Making Money Online videos on YouTube, you've heard about ClickFunnels before. So all the tools that I'm going to show you are membership-based digital products that have affiliate programs where you can earn passive income every single month. So you've got ClickFunnels with 3 different plans: $97 a month, $297 a month, and $2,500 a month. Now, every time as an affiliate you refer someone to this tool, sign them up, and they use this product, you get between 30 and 50% commission every single month of the plan that they're on. So if you refer someone to the $297 package, you get 40% commission. You will get about $80 to $100 every single month passively for your referral. So let's look at it like this. If you refer 5 people the first month and refer 5 people the next month, now you've got 10 people paying you every single month. If you refer 5 people a month for 12 months, that's a year, you now have 60 people paying you every single month passively. So this is what the beauty of this is and how powerful this is. Then secondly, we've got Kartra over here, which is another program that I use that I'm an affiliate for. They've got 4 different packages ranging from $99 a month to $499 a month. As you can see, again, it's a reoccurring commission-based system. And all these affiliate programs you can join completely for free. You don't need to buy any of these packages. And then the main one that I use is Builderall.com. I've made the most money off of this one simply because it's a little bit cheaper and they actually have more features than Kartra and ClickFunnels combined. So they've got a $29 package, a $69 package, and a $99 package. And what I like about Builderall, you get 100% commissions your first month and 30% every month thereafter. So if you refer someone to the $99 package, you get $99 your first month. Every single month after that, you get 30% of that, which is about $35 every month passively into your account. All of these tools pay direct to bank, PayPal, or Bitcoin, so they're worldwide. There's no excuse, no matter what country you're in, you can apply this video and make money with it. So I quickly logged into my Builderall dashboard, and let me give you an idea of what I've made on this tool in the past month. So over here, if I show you my earnings over here, you can see my total leads that I've collected is 3,859 leads, currently 71 active leads, making me about $4,000.69 in total so far. Currently over $600 from other affiliates as well. So it's got a level 2 affiliate program, meaning if you refer someone to this tool and they refer someone to this tool, you get 5% commissions from them as well, which is this extra $600 over here. So far today, I've got $119 in review. That's what I've earned today, and $88 available from yesterday. So I've earned about $200 in the past 2 days, and I've been paid out about $3,900 this month. Now, what I like about Builderall, they have a calculator based on the amount of active leads you have, how much estimation you're going to earn every month. And this is for the rest of your life passively. So far, I'm at about $3,140. I know at one stage last year, I was close to $8,000 a month, and that's when I actually moved over to Carter, but I'm starting to use Builderall again over here simply because they've had some quite nice updates. In order to become an affiliate for Builderall, and if you want to get tons of funnels to promote this tool, you can click on the second link in the description. It will take you to this homepage over here where you can sign up as an affiliate actually completely for free. With Builderall, you need to actually pay to become an affiliate, but if you use my link down below, you can actually become an affiliate completely for free. So when you click on my link, it will take you to this page over here. You just need to come and click over here on the affiliates tab, because now it's connected to my affiliate link. You get the option to be an affiliate without actually paying. It will then take you to this page over here, scroll down, and this option over here where it says become an affiliate, Builderall solo affiliate completely for free. This option will unlock for you. You can see it's free over here. Click on apply to become a Builderall affiliate. Just fill in this information. It will take you to your dashboard that looks like this. Obviously all your stats will be on 0, but it soon won't be after this video. And over here you can see is your unique affiliate link. Take a look at this. If I copy this affiliate link and I paste it in a new tab and I click on enter, it will take you to the Builderall landing page over here, which is connected to my affiliate link. So now if I had to go and buy a package now, it's connected to my affiliate link, so I will get 100% commission my first month and 30% every month thereafter. And the third step, guys, is we are going to be creating sponsored posts on Quora.com. I've recently found that Quora Ads and creating sponsored posts on Quora Ads is not only a great way to get a lot of traffic to your affiliate offer, but you can also grow your own Quora group, which can also bring in consistent traffic to your affiliate link or landing page, that being Builderall. So over here, if you go and search on Google Quora Ads, just Quora Ads like this, click on the first link, it will say advertising on Quora. It will take you to a page like this. You need to click on get started over here and just create an account. So enter your account name. We can go, for example, Millionaire Mindset, and just type in your email. For your business name, you can either put your personal name or a business name. So I'm again just going to go Millionaire Mindset. For your business website, if you don't have your own website, you can use a Facebook page, Instagram page, or anything like that. I'm going to put in my website. Select your industry. So in this case, it's going to be e-commerce. You want to select e-commerce. Your billing country, just choose your country. As you can see, every single country is accepted. You don't need to worry about this not being accepted in your country. So I'm in South Africa, so I'm just going to scroll and look for South Africa. And over here, you can see your brand new Quora Ads dashboard over here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process on how I create my successful Builderall ads on Quora. What we're going to do is on the top right, you will see there's a blue option that says new campaign. Click on new campaign, and we're going to go and create a new campaign. For the campaign name, we can go and type Builderall. We can just type Builderall. Now you've got 5 different options over here. You've got conversions. So this means if you want to increase a certain action on your website, app installs, if you want to get application installs on the App Store or the Play Store, traffic, that means just getting people to your website, awareness, just increasing your brand, or lead generation, such as a email list. Now the one that I use is traffic. I just want to get traffic to my affiliate link. From there, they can see my page and see what it's all about. And from there, it's the easiest way to get signups with traffic. Now, all I do, guys, is for the daily minimum budget, I use a simple $5. I spend $5 a day on ads, and just like that, I build an email list. So what we need to go and do is, before we continue with Quora Ads, we need to go and create a landing page that collects emails, because this is the biggest rule with affiliate marketing. I don't like to do ads with my direct affiliate link. I like to create a bridge page where I collect emails and send them promotional emails from there to get them back to my affiliate link and actually build an email or a loyal subscriber base list. Over here, you can also schedule your advertisements between begin advertising friendly, or if you want to set a start and end date. So for example, if you only want to advertise from the 10th of August to the 20th of August, you can set a set date. But if you select begin advertising, your advert will be up and live, and you'll have to pay for your advert until you decide to cancel it. So I'm just going to choose set a start option. I usually like to run my ads for no longer than 10 days. That's a total of $50 at the end of the 10 days. So we can go from, for example, the 13th today. We can select, for example, 2 p.m. at the end date. We can go and select the 20th, and we can end that also at 2 p.m. We can then click on continue. For the ad set name, we can go, for example, Builderall set. For the choose location target, we can go and choose specific countries to go and target. Now what I like to do with Builderall specifically, since it's a funnel building, business builder in a box with email marketing, I like to target this tool to first world countries like United States, United Kingdom, Australia, countries that are wealthy, because these people in those countries are more looking for tools like this because they want to educate themselves. They want to grow online business. E-commerce in first world countries is booming a lot more than third world countries. So we can go and select, for example, United States. We can go United Kingdom. We can go Canada. Canada over here. We can go New Zealand. We can also go Australia. And if you want to, you can put 1 or 2 third world countries. So let's go India. And let's also go South Africa. We can go those 7 countries. Over here for the choose primary targeting, contextual targeting, this shows ads to relative specific topics or keyword searches. You've got audience targeting, so this shows ads to audiences that match web traffic lookalikes or contact lists. Behavioral targeting shows ads to users based on interests or retarget them based on their history. Broad targeting shows ads widely across Quora to maximize potential impressions. I don't like to choose broad targeting because often when you show these ads to a wide, broad audience, a lot of these people are not really interested in what you're having to advertise them. I like to go contextual advertising, targeting an audience that is looking for these specific keywords, because then you know that this audience is interested in your product or the topic that you're having to offer. So therefore, I'm going to choose behavioral targeting, people that are behaving in this kind of context, specifically e-commerce, Builderall, funnels, website building. We want to look for an audience that is behaving in that kind of niche. So since we know Quora is mostly question based, so when people search questions on Google or Quora, they're looking for solutions to their problems. So I like to go and use the questions history, and I like to go and target questions that people search on Google. So we can, for example, go and search how to build a website, for example. You can click on enter. We can also go Builderall review. For example, we can go, is Builderall better than ClickFunnels? We can also go and search, what is the best funnel builder? We can go and target a question, how can I build an email list? So we want to go and target questions all relative to our product. So Builderall has an email marketing campaign. That's why we want to go and target the search word or the question, how do I build an email list? And that should be enough. What we can do is we can go and choose additional targeting, mobile and desktop. You don't want to have specific browsers. You can target anyone. You want to target any gender. It doesn't really matter. For any excluded questions, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about excluding any audiences. And over here, you've got your bid. So over here, we've got to set a bid. This is the maximum number of clicks you add to your unit. And this means how much is it going to cost you every time someone clicks on your ad. So I like to do anywhere between 0.05 or 0.1 US cents. The more you spend, the more people will click on your ads. So we can go 0.06, for example. We can set a CPC bid of 0.06 and we want to choose optimize for clicks. Over here you can see the suggested bid is 0.06. We can then click on continue over here, and in a nutshell we want to go and create a little post way, sponsored post or ad that looks like this. So this specific ad is obviously not relative to our niche, but it's a similar concept. So they're promoting like a painting over here. They've got a picture, short little description, and then a link to their website. Same as this one over here, free online courses lifetime at Udemy, and they've got a link to their Facebook group where they're obviously giving away free courses, and this is being a sponsored post. So that's what we are going to go and create when continuing with our ad over here. For the ad name, we can go type Builderall ad. We can go and choose an image ad. We want to go and select an image. For the business name, we can choose Millionaire Mindset. For the head sentence, which is this topic, the title over here, and we want to type here free website and email marketing tool every business needs. Let me just make the small caps. Okay, you're not allowed to put any caps in your ad, so we can type here free website and email marketing tool every business needs. For the body text, you can type something like this: sign up for free and start retargeting all your leads and create high converting landing pages. The reason why I say it's free is because Builderall does have a free trial, which I think is 14 or 30 days. And the call to action, we want to go and click on learn more over here. For the logo, we want to go and search Builderall logo on Google, and we can go and click on images over here. We can go and use the Builderall logo over here. So I'm just going to open this in a new tab and save this to my PC. Okay, there it's been saved. We're going to come back to our ad, click on the plus sign of the logo and select the logo that you've just downloaded. And for this image of our ad, what I usually do is I come back to the homepage of Builderall and I screenshot this video, making it look like a clickable video. So we want to click on print screen on our keyboard or go and use a screenshot tool on Google. Come over to Paint and paste your screenshot over here. Just click on rectangular selection and crop out this image over here and click on crop, click on save and save this, for example, screenshot to your PC. Come back to your ad, click on choose image and select the screenshot that you've just saved. And over here, this is what your ad looks like. So you can see there's a call to action on the image of this ad. Press play to watch, sign up for free and start retargeting to all your leads. And for the landing page URL, you want to come back to your Builderall dashboard over here, copy your affiliate link and just come back to Quora over here and paste your affiliate link. And all you need to do is wait a couple of minutes. Sometimes the logo will go into a pending review. It might take 5 to 10 minutes. You need to click on continue. It will then start running your ad live. Then what you can go and do is you can hover over to your Builderall dashboard over here where you can start to see the leads, the clicks. If I click on my leads over here to show you all my leads from this, over here you will see all of my leads that I've been collecting using a strategy and a lot of Quora ads that I've been running. And what I like about Quora ads, you can create multiple ads at the same time, run multiple $5 ads at the same time. And what's great about this, the conversion rate is usually pretty good because remember, you are targeting an audience interested in your product already or searching keywords relative to the product that you're promoting them. So it's not a dead audience that's interested in fitness that is now going to see your product that has nothing to do with fitness and they kind of just don't click on your product at all. This is an actual audience looking for your type of product. So this is a great way to target people in various countries interested in your product. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave on the screen over here a playlist to my Builderall playlist out of all the Builderall videos that I've compiled over the past 2 years on my YouTube channel. This is information over here is honestly more valuable than most courses that you'll buy for over $2,000. All of this is now over here for free on this playlist on YouTube. So make sure to click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.